I'm Martin McDonald, Lead Portfolio Manager at Network Rail, and I'm here at the Maintenance Delivery Unit here at Hitchin. This project has been to renew the existing facilities here at Hitchin. Previous buildings here were outdated, dilapidated, and were in desperate need of renewal. So the project has been to create these fantastic new facilities for our operations, maintenance and project delivery teams here at Network Rail.
My name's Tom Austin. I'm Senior Project Manager for Kier Construction. The project was two phases. Phase 1 was the demolition of the existing maintenance depot. Phase 2 was the construction of the new MDU, which was a two-storey building with 5 phases of external car parks. It's based adjacent to the East Coast Main Line, so the biggest challenge in the job was the logisticals. We had a live depot which was being used 24/7. As Kier Construction, we had numerous meetings with the end user to deal with access, egress, mitigating risks with the client on how to achieve our end goal of the programme while assuring they have full access to their assets.
Every week we had a formal sit-down meeting, communication between myself and the project team. I was getting constant updates which really helped understand the progress and challenges, so the communication was flawless throughout.
The site has been a rail yard since the 1850s, so as you can imagine there was a number of unknown services in the ground during construction, and as a team we collectively managed to ensure that no key assets were struck during the works, and we managed to maintain the depot being fully functional through the entire job.
One of the biggest challenges on this project has been working in the confines of an operational depot and trying to keep disruption to our day-to-day operations to a minimum. But Kier have risen to that challenge and really happy with how they've performed.
We had monthly walk-arounds with the depot staff to get their views on what we were building, any key points which would help them operationally use the building. I think this helped because we could see how enthusiastic they were about the build and how the space would be beneficial for them in the future.
I'm Lee Warbank, Works Delivery Manager for Track here at Hitchin. It's great to see Network Rail investing in a new place, more modern, for my frontline team to come to. We've got some office guys who report to me upstairs as well. Love the new facility, making work a more happier place to come to, definitely.
During the works, obviously sustainability and social value are key for Kier and Network Rail as an end client. It was one of our key KPIs during the scheme. We had 2 track apprentices during the scheme. They both did 2 weeks each. We also had 3 apprentices who worked through some of our supply chain, very local staff to the area. They were from Hitchin Girls' School and Bedford School, and they also gained valuable insight into working with Kier and the wider community down in Hitchin. As a client, Network Rail were keen to use CMAR as one of the tools for an early warning tracker. A key success here was how we collaboratively worked through utilising this register, portioning actions to each of the stakeholders, and then finally closing out anything ahead of time, which I think was a key success to this job.
I'm delighted with the finished product. Outside and inside the building looks fantastic, the facilities are amazing, and everyone who's moved in has been very complimentary.
Yeah, it's great to come to a decent space rather than a solid cabin and actually be able to get down and crack on with some work. Yeah.
Really enjoyed this experience working with them, and the facility we see here today is a testament to all the hard work, so I can't thank them enough, and I'd really look forward to the opportunity to work with them again in future.